Big Joe's Outdoors. I just got through filming one of my beekeeping videos. So I was putting out some swarm traps down here, and I see this. So I'm gonna go ahead and harvest it while I'm out here and add that to my dinner tonight. And these gloves and a machete to harvest it. Not really a machete, but a big knife. Bigger the knife, the better. Let me show you this. This is a thistle. The way you harvest this, take off the top part, and you see right here the ants have already gotten to it, so we're going to go a little bit lower. Looks like the ants own this one. Yeah. Yeah, that was a waste. They killed that plant. Oh well, I see another one over there. I'll let Bone Dog have this ants and take care of them ants for us. Let's go over there and check that one out. It's in a little bit worse spot, but we may be able to get it. I gotta watch where I'm stepping. There's snakes are wiggling on. See it right there. Hey, there's some water even. Alright, same thing. It's a little bit smaller one, so take the top off. Knock off the sides. And so far, it don't look like the ants got it. Take it down right there. Ants ain't in it bad. We're going to take this back to the truck and clean it up the rest of the way. Another one, so we'll go ahead and grab it. Oh man. That was fun. Alright. I'm going to go ahead and grab that other one. Then we'll have more. Because that little stalk ain't much. They've got some nasty thorns on them. Put that over there. There we go. Alright, here's what I was able to get. I don't see no more. There's one over there, but it looks a little bit old. These spikes are mean. Actually getting me through the club. Alright. That's it. That's what we're looking for. Let's go back to the truck and finish cleaning one up, and I'll show you how you get them cleaned right. Poking me. Should have took all those spikes off of them. That's alright. Yeah, all those white flowers? It's all blackberry bushes. And they're already gotten berries on them. They're still green. They got them going. Some more blackberries. There's our bee trap we just set out. Alright. Definitely want to get all the spikes off. It's not the best idea to use your dirty glove for this. These things you start up at the top and you grab and you peel the celery like skin off of it. It's just an outer covering. It's not hard to get off. Once you get it started, it pretty much pulls good distance, at least till it gets to the next knot, and then sometimes past that. See, there's a knot. See the high ridges? They come right off pretty easy. Don't dig in like I just did right there. Alright, that's enough. Cut it off right there. Things are really good. Sweet. Sweet. Most people dress them up. Most people dress this up with vinegar and salt. If you're out in the field and you want a quick snack, early spring, these things are everywhere. Tastes like celery, I guess. Some good stuff. Alright, we made it home. I went ahead and finished skinning out the, taking the rest of the outside fibrous parts off. Got them in here rinsed out. One more thing I wanted to do, cut them into little donuts. Which these big ones like to break on me, but that's fine. I was mean to them. I wasn't being gentle. Cut them into little pieces. Just a few. Some fiber. Got them in there, got them rinsed off again. Salt thingy. Put some salt on them. And it's only, it's the only vinegar I had, so a little bit of vinegar. And that's it. These things are good. They have a lot of benefits to them. They're really good with vinegar on them. I'm going to toss this in the fridge until dinner tonight. Y'all have a good one. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. See you on the next one.